Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. If we could learn to work and play and get along with each other. You got to listen to your heart, listen to the beat, listen to the rhythm of the street. Open up your eyes, open up your ears, get together and make things better by working together. It's a simple message and it comes from the heart. Oh, believe in yourself, for that's the place to start. And I say, hey, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. We can learn to work and play and get along with each other. Hey, what a wonderful kind of day. Hey, what a wonderful kind of day.
Hey! Hey, DW! Hey! Whoa!
Money. We all use it every day. It's so much a part of our lives that it's hard to imagine what the world would be like without money. But that's exactly what I'd like you to do.
Here you go. One frozen yogurt replica of the Montreal Olympic Stadium with extra snow.
Thanks. Can I have this chair too?
Why not? Everything's free.
Home, Alphonse, via Paris.
Before money was invented, people used to simply trade things. The system was called bartering.
Hey, nice goat. Want to barter for it? Okay. What do you have?
How about my little sister's cow?
10, 10, 10 is nice. It's the highest number we know. If someday they invent TV, I think I'll have a show.
This weekend, let's try a little experiment. I'd like us all, myself included, to not spend any money. Then we'll share our experiences in class on Monday.
Oh, Mr. Ratbird, you're such a kidder. Hey, wait, you're serious?
Senseless.
How are you gonna get through this weekend? Spending money is like breathing for you.
I did think it would be hard at first, but then I realized I have this. My ConsumerX card. Daddy said it's only for emergencies, but if this isn't an emergency, I don't know what is.
You can't use a credit card. That's still money.
No, it isn't. Money is paper, and this is plastic. See?
You're still spending money when you use a credit card. You're just paying for it later.
This is so unfair. It's much easier for people without money not to spend it. But what about poor, wealthy people like me?
You're breaking my heart. See you later. I guarantee you she isn't gonna last one day. Muffy buys things she doesn't even want. Like we were at the mall the other day and...
Letter for you, Frankie.
It's from Bubby. Dear Frankola, this is for your birthday. I know it's a month away, but better too early than too late. Buy yourself something nice. Maybe a dress. You're beautiful. Why do you insist on hiding it? Love, your Bubby. $50? This is terrible.
Terrible? What is it, the wrong color?
I can't spend any money this weekend. It's my homework.
Want me to spend it for you? I could use some new biking shorts.
Nice try. Oh well, it's only 2 days. I can wait 2 days.
Good morning, Vladimir and Estragon. Here's your breakfast. Now for mine. Condensed milk. When did I buy this? And pistachio nuts. Well, at least it's an excellent source of protein. No, Oh no, this won't do. I must find a way to get some food. Aha! Time for my comeback.
I would like to purchase Tammy the Tornado, please. And does she come with special lace-up wrestler boots as is advertised on the box? It's for a friend.
Aha! I knew I'd find you here. You didn't even last 24 hours.
For your information, I am not buying anything. He is.
That's still cheating.
Sorry, mister. This doll is reserved.
What? But it's new. It just came out last week. Who reserved it?
Ah, there she is. Binky Barnes is the name. It's already been paid for.
You don't play with dolls.
It is not a doll. It's an action figure, and it's based on a real wrestler, too. Tammy the Tornado won the Boston Blastdown 3 years in a row.
Okay, what do you want for her? Let's, what's the word Mr. Ratburn used? Barter. How about this pomegranate-scented moisturizer? It costs twice as much as that.
Does it have jojoba?
What? I don't know.
Forget it. I have great skin. I don't want just any old stuff on my face.
Please? You don't understand. They're all sold out. It's the only one I don't have. There must be something you want.
There is one thing. A Buzz McBoom Boom baseball card. That I'd trade for.
Francine, you're sporty. I need a Buzz McBoo-Boo baseball card.
It's McBoom Boom. He only pitched one season for the Grebes. And good luck finding one. It's super rare. Actually, I think Brain might have one. He has an amazing baseball card collection.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
70% off this weekend only? I could buy so much with this.
I'll tell you what you could buy. For this weekend only, these things could be for thee. 8 leather softballs, 7 thermal hoodies, 6 hockey knee pads, 5 wooden bats, 4 flying discs, 3 hockey sticks, 2 catcher's masks, and a well-oiled outfielder's mitt.
Francine! Let's go!
It's not fair.
No, I don't have a Buzz McBoom Boom baseball card. I have 3 of them. One stays in its custom-made, hermetically sealed case, one is to touch, and this one is for backup. I might part with it, but I need something special in return.
Moisturizer?
I was thinking more along the lines of a particle accelerator.
Deal.
You don't even know what that is.
You've got like every baseball card ever here.
I know. It's a pity I never have time to organize them. It would be an impressive display.
Yes, pretty cards. Brain, I'm going to get you that particle accelerator if it's the last thing I do. Come on.
How much for Lefty McGee?
Francine! I wonder if Brain would settle for some of my clothes. Goodness knows he could use a makeover.
Hey, look! Something's going on in the park.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
A big sponge shaped like a hammer.
Oh, that tickles. It doesn't hurt, but it musses up my beautiful hair. Look, Punchy, everyone's laughing. That means our show is a hit.
A hit. Get it? The show's a hit, but Jude also got hit. It works on so many levels.
Thank you. Remember, don't give me money, just food, if you please.
Hey, Mr. Ratburn. You brought Punchy and Jude back? We haven't seen those puppets in ages.
I forgot to go grocery shopping before the project, so I had to figure out a way to get food. How are you two getting along?
Terrible! I'm trying to make a trade with Brain, but I don't have anything he wants.
You don't have to barter with a thing. Why not try offering a service?
Yeah, I've been trading jokes for things. Check this one out. Why was 6 scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
What'd you get for that?
Half a bagel. And then I stood on my hands for some cream cheese. Whoa.
I guess it's worth a shot. It's good to be here in Brain's room. How are you tonight, Brain?
Could you skip the false interest in me and just proceed to the humorous part?
Okay. So, Brain, why was 6 scared of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9. That joke is older than my fossil collection. How about that particle accelerator?
I asked Daddy. He said we couldn't break ground to build the accelerator until I was in college.
Well, if you'll excuse me, I have to finish swapping out my old baseball cards for the new ones.
If you used your space more efficiently, you wouldn't have to take the old ones down.
Really?
I have 110 World Girl dolls. I'm an expert at displaying things. We'll put all the red ones over here and players with mustaches over there. I'm going to call in my design team so we can really do this right. Okay, Brain, open your eyes. Ta-da! I had some extra lights and pedestals at home. Do you like it?
I can see everything.
While we're at it, I thought we'd liven up the whole room with a coat of lavender paint, and then...
No, don't do anything else. But I do want you to have this.
You're giving me Buzz McBoom Boom?
He's not giving it to you. You bartered for it.
I did?
Yes. My cards really needed organizing, and you traded that service for something you wanted. I'd still prefer to have the particle accelerator, but here.
I bartered? Now let's go trade this for the World Girl doll.
$50 for the whole lot, final offer.
You are saving that money, Francine Frensky. And that's how I learned I was valuable, even without money. Thanks for the doll, Pinky.
It's an action figure.
Muffy also convinced me to save my money. She said if I put it in a bank, soon I could have enough money for a new bike.
Well, class, it sounds like the project was a big hit.
A big hit. And they hit each other. It's so subtle. I love those guys.
The rhythm of the street. It's a simple message, and it comes from the heart. Believe in yourself, for that's the place to start.